Back out again after way too warm outside earlier. It's Saturday. Not sure what the date is, but they'll be 6 weeks old tomorrow. Come on, monkeys. Come on. Oh, that grass feels cool in the belly. Come on. Come. Easiest way to get them is put them all in my clothes hamper. Here you come. Who are you? Little Miss Pink. Who are you laying up there all by yourself? Come on. Come. What's she doing? Just eating? Get away from my toes. Get away from my toes. I hear you. Smoke bush is just ready to bloom as well. It's like, girl, keep coming. Not too fast, though. I gotta get out of here. I know, I got one under them. Who's biting my toe? Get away from my feet. You're on my toes. Here you are. 4 of you are my toe. Somebody wanting to follow you.